Following the announcement of the release of the PayButton service on eCash, we'd like to take the opportunity to provide a bit more detail around this eagerly anticipated service. PayButton is a platform that makes it easy for regular folks and small businesses to adopt eCash for their web payments. It is being actively developed by Blockchain Ventures, a team that has been active in the crypto space since 2015. It was initially launched in February 2019. However, this upgraded version makes eCash usage more common and user-friendly, giving people the confidence to accept eCash for payment for goods and services. Before we get started, you'll have to set up an eCash wallet so you can begin receiving money. If you don't have one yet, please refer to the recommended eCash wallets on the eCash website. To create your first PayButton, head to their website at paybutton.org and then click on the Button Generator menu on top, which will take you to the Custom Button Generator page. As an example, let's create a PayButton for a tipping use case. Start by filling out the To field with an eCash address, which will be receiving the payments. Then enter the amount to tip when the user clicks on the button. Other supported currencies include US and Canadian dollars. In the text field, fill out what you would like to be displayed on the button. In the hover text field, set what you'd like to be displayed when the user's mouse hovers over this button without clicking. And finally, the success text is what would be displayed upon completion of the payment. Other cosmetic configurations, such as button animation and color schemes, can also be customized to your liking. You'll now see a configured PayButton on the right for your preview. Both CashJab extension and Electrum ABC wallets are supported and can be installed via the following links. If both wallets are installed, it will default to CashJab. Then simply click on the generated Pay button. This will display a QR code with a preview of the amount being sent. Click on the Send with XCC Wallet button, which will trigger CashJab extensions with all of the fields pre-populated. Click Send in CashJab and watch the notification message of the payment being received by the button. Once you're happy with your PayButton, copy the generated code for use in your preferred web application framework. In order to take advantage of the full functionality of PayButton, you'll need to create a new account on the PayButton website, which is free. Once you've created your account and logged in, you'll first see the dashboard, which offers a summary of your button's revenue, the total number of payments, the number of buttons under your control, and a graphical representation of your revenue and payment over a recent period. If this is your first time using PayButton, you'll need to firstly create a new button. Do this by clicking on the Buttons menu on the left and then click the New Button icon on the right. A Create Button dialog will then be displayed for you to fill in the preferred name for this PayButton and then the eCash address you would like to be associated with this button. Click Submit when done. Now that you have configured your account, simply follow the previous step in generating your own PayButton, making sure to use the same eCash address used for your PayButton account. Once your PayButton is implemented into your web application, simply navigate to the Payments page and watch as each XCC payment is made through your PayButton. And finally, more functionality is available, such as webhooks, which can be accessed by clicking on the Buttons menu and then on your newly created button. We will be covering this advanced feature in the next video. We hope this has been useful as a high-level overview of the PayButton service. If you have any technical inquiries regarding PayButton and its various features, please feel free to hop on to the official PayButton Telegram at t.me/PayButton.